Are you a parent and struggling somewhere to bond in the best form with your child? Coming up are the two periods of the year which can help you to bond in the best form with your child. One is the exam time and second is the summer vacations. Yes, thinking कि एग्जाम का स्ट्रेस एनवायरनमेंट घर में एंड उसके बाद समर वेकेशंस आने वाले हैं वेयर चाइल्ड विल बी ऑल डे एट होम. When I wear the cap of a parenting coach, trust me, in the coming days I can help you with n number of ways and tips to bond in the best form with your children. So if yet you haven't subscribed or following my page and the channel, make sure you do so, and even you can share this reel with your friends and family members who need this help. I will be coming up in my next reels to give you tips and ways to bond in the best way with your child. All the best.